Hello everyone, Gab here, market analyst from SmarTrade. So let's have our daily analysis for NAS100 and same goes with Dow Jones. So first things we have NAS100. So as you can see, it's traded around 12,802 as of the moment. So the price levels that I gave you yesterday is 12,650 and same goes with 12,550. But obviously the price of NAS100 did not go lower below 12,550, but rather it goes up beyond 12,650. So I mentioned that if it's traded beyond 12,650, then we might see 12,700 for yesterday. And after that, the price hits the 12,700. And for those who managed to open the long positions, then definitely you guys profited with this one. So for the day, what are the levels that we need to pay attention for NAS100? So number one, we have 12,800 and same thing with 12,700. So for NAS100, still this one is strongly bullish on the early chart. So if you can see that the price is traded beyond 12,800, then we might see 12,850 for the day. But if the price can sustain above 12,850, then we might see another strong rally for NAS100. But on the downside, if it's traded below 12,700, then it will pave the way towards to 12,650. And if it can sustain lower than 12,650, the next possible target will be around 12,600. And of course, all the way to 12,700 range, or 12,500 range rather. So lastly, for Dow Jones, so price levels yesterday is 32,250 and of course 32,150. So overall for Dow Jones, the price did not go lower around 32,150, but the move for Dow Jones remains on the bullish side. So the price was traded beyond 32,250. And after that, it took our target area of 32,300. And beyond that, the price of Dow Jones fly all the way to 32,520 range. So what are the levels that we need to pay attention for Dow Jones? So the price levels that we need to pay attention, number one is 32,500. And of course, 32,350. So as you can see, the price of Dow Jones is beyond 32,500. So it means it might target 32,550 for the day. But I would not recommend you to enter since it's currently validated. So it might retrace from here. So I would suggest you wait for the retracements. And if it's near if it's near 32,500, and then if it's traded above once again, then we can re-enter, because 32,550 is a one of the key resistance for Dow Jones if we base on the hourly chart. So it might retrace on the downside, but on the alternative side, if you can see that if it's being traded beyond 32,550, then we can see 33,000 for the rest of the week. On the downside, if you can see that it's being traded below 32,350, then you might see 32,300 for the day. But if you can sustain below 32,300, the possible next target will be around 32,250 and 32,200. So overall, again, if you manage to open a positions, regardless if it's long or short, I would advise you to trail your positions half of our targeted pips so that you can protect your capital, and same goes with your profits. And that is all for our NAS100 and Dow Jones analysis. Thank you, everyone. Please like and subscribe to YouTube channel, SmarTrade, and see you on the next video.